So that's the motor. Now I need to install a couple of additional pieces so that it slides in the conduit. There's 3 pieces in this bag. There is the drive assembly. This is the motor drive assembly. This is the crown. And this is the clip to hold on the drive assembly. So the first thing we're going to do is put on the crown. And the crown will slide on from the drive all the way up. And there is a notch. This thing turns, but I got to find the notch in the adapter and slide it on all the way up to the top. This allows for the motor, well, it just allows for the placement of the motor. The only thing that turns is the drive. This has to be secured in the conduit. And then the other piece is the drive adapter. I don't see a particular way it goes in, but I'm going to put it in this way. Slip it on. And then I'm going to put the clip on. The clip secures it so it doesn't come off. Okay, there. Now the drive is in place. Now what I'm going to try and do is, now once this goes in, this is the only part that turns, this end piece. So I've got to make some taps through the pipe and screw them into this. Not too deep. That way, this will turn the conduit, rolling up the screen or letting it down. So, and I've put a 120 volt outlet plug on it. So let's see, it's the first time putting it in. That's way too much play. Let me show you. Way too much. So I need to, let me just put it in, slide it in, and I'll show you what this end will look like. And it stops there. Again, really too much play. I don't think the 2.5 inch. Typically these motors are designed for specific tubes for projectors, but they can get pretty expensive. So pull this out. Let's see what we can think of. I mean, it just needs to be secured in the pipe. This end will be mounted